Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. I'm going to show you how you can change your menu in your system. That is JiPOS. And once you log in, of course, this is your dashboard. Then you will come to products here and items. If you have the rights, you will see this. If you don't have the rights, you will not see all these. But then you can contact your administrator or your supervisor to be able to give you the rights to see your products. So when you come to items, in the list of items, you will see your menu. Most of these items are your menu. And of course, any other item that has been registered here. Now, if we want to delete an item that we do not that we no longer sell, it's very simple. I just simply come here to this plus button, and then I see this option, delete. Yeah, so let me say I just want to delete this one. I just click this and then I confirm. Yeah, that will be successfully deleted, just like that. And then it will no longer be here now. It is not there. Where has it been taken to? On this other side, archive item list. So if in case you have deleted anything here, you will see it here in the item archived list. And here is what we just sold. And if any case we deleted this by mistake, we can still take it back. Of course, take it back to the active items list by just simply clicking that plus and then restore. Click restore, just like that. And then this item will be taken back to the items active list, which is now here. If you come back to items list, you should be able to find it. Here it is, this one here. But then if I want to change the name of this item, what do I do? Or any other item here, what do I do? I simply come to this code or the SKU. I can just simply click this, or I can even click this plus and then view. Yeah. So if I view, it will take me to the item profile. Of course, this is the item name. And then I can be able to change the name here. This is the item name. I can be able to change that item name here. Yeah, so that is how to go about changing the item name. So I can just change that. Then once I change, if any case I want to change anything to do with the price and all that, these ones you can just edit. And then I just leave this as it is. I don't interfere with anything here, and then I simply save. Yeah, I simply save change. So once I do that, this item will automatically be saved with the new name that I have given it to. Yeah, that is how to go about deleting and changing the item name and prices. It's just that simple. Now, the next thing, what if I want to add an item or a menu item that we don't have here, or if I just want to add a fresh item or a fresh menu list. Yeah, so remember, you can delete one by one the items you don't want here. You can just delete one by one. Just come here and then delete. Just come here. If you don't want this, just delete. But then now, if we want to add a new item, in this particular list, what do we do? If we want to add a new menu, it is very simple. Come to here. This is add items. Of course, just as we saw, we are here. You just simply come to items, and then you come to add item button here, this one here. So you simply do that. When you click it, then you will select the category of that item. Let's say it is accompaniment, and then brand not necessary. Item name, I can give it item test accompaniment. I hope that is correct. And then unit, I can say it is plate. Yeah, or any other unit I can select here. Of course, unit can be either plate, can be glass, can be bottle, can be whatever it is that is in the menu. Then attributes, I'll skip. Tax type, always VAT. Unless you don't want VAT calculations, which now you can put exempt, still fine. These other ones, just keep them. System will just put that in. I mean, give this item its a unique SKU or serial number. These other ones you can just keep, and then you will say this one just leave as it is, and then quantity predefined, this one put no. If it is a menu item, yeah, this one put no, and then plus it's available for sale, yes. It's available for purchase, no. For main shop, yes. So for purchase, these are things like, let's say, soda or anything that you want to purchase. But a menu item, you don't want to, you don't purchase menu items. You don't purchase burgers. You don't purchase chapati. You don't purchase biryani. Those ones you sell, but you purchase their raw materials. So that is why when you are registering this menu item called item test accompaniment, which is a menu item, we deselect this one. So this one remains as it is. Then these ones are remaining the way they are. Then unit buying price, of course, is 0. We don't buy them. And then I skip this. I come here and say this one is 1,000 shillings. And then I leave the rest as it is. Opening stock, not necessary for a menu item, but it must be active. Yeah, it must be active. So with that, I simply save. So once I click save, the system will save that item. Of course, now you can see the name is here, marked price, and any other thing that we have selected. Now, pay attention to this orange or yellow background. The system is telling you, ensure you redistribute this item first to respective stores before you do any purchase or sale or any other movement of this item. That means we need to redistribute this item to the store or to the selling point so that when we are going to sell, we are going to find it there. So a selling point is where now sales happen, the POS. Yeah. And how do we redistribute this item? We simply come here under stores redistribution. When I click here, then I can come to this button, redistribute. If I come to redistribute, I will just click here and then I will see restaurant. Here is where sales happen. So then I simply submit. Yeah, just like that. So when I come back to stores redistribution, I will see my item already is in the restaurant. Yeah, of course you can see restaurant store and then the price and all that pertains to the that particular item. So with that, even now, if I come to POS, I will come to the restaurant here, and then I will find my item here. You will see item is here, item test accompaniment. Yeah, that is basically how to register an item and redistribute it to the restaurant for sale. Yeah. So if you want to add a new menu item, that is the process. You can come to products, go to items, and then you can come to add new items and then register that particular item and save it. Then remember to redistribute. If you don't redistribute it, you will not see it in the POS. Yes. And then if you want to delete any item that you no longer want here, you just simply select it, click the plus, and then delete permanently. Then you just delete it, but it will not delete permanently. It will be taken to the archived list. Unless now you delete it permanently in the archived list, then the system will lose track of it. I hope this video helps you. All the best.